All right, we're still looking at some pretty mild temperatures out there. I mean, look at Waldorf 47, Lexington Park 49. Most of us are sitting in the low 40s, 41 up in Hagerstown, 39 in Martinsburg, and 34 out in Winchester, even 38 out in Kaiser. So it's been really warm. It's kind of hard to think that there's snow on the way. And if you look down to our southwest, just coming out of Texas, see our low pressure system, which is actually just going to scooch up towards us really in the next several hours or so. And it's going to bring a lot of moisture with it. And good thing is we do have some cold air in place, so that'll change it over into some snow. So here is our timeline, and this is how it pans out. What we do is we're looking for it to start right around that 3 to 4 a.m. time frame. It's going to come from the south to the north. Shows a little bit of mixed precipitation, maybe some rain to start off as you're closer to D.C. Further west will be snow, but this could easily just be snow to begin the event. And then once we go through the early morning hours, this dark blue that you see is really, really heavy precipitation, looking at 1 to 2 inches of snow coming down. But not too long, a few hours later, we can see it starting to die off. And then by middle part of the day, it's already gone, and we will actually see sun before we get to sunset. So that's basically the whole synopsis of the story. We also have a winter storm warning. That's everything that's in pink. The areas that are on the outside are winter weather advisories, and that's in the purple, and that's until tomorrow at noon. So what we try to do is break it down. That larger swath is in Maryland, all the way through Baltimore, D.C., heading towards Manassas, Culpeper, 4 to 6. Remember, if it mixes a little bit more with rain, those numbers are going to be lower. And any place where you go north or south, we're going to start dropping pretty quickly, where you can see anywhere really from 1 to 3 inches. So just kind of want to break it up for you to give you an idea. So for tonight's lows, really right around freezing or just below by a couple of degrees. And that's where we want to stay tomorrow morning if we want an all snow event. So for tomorrow, the high is going to get to 39. So we'll have that snowy morning. And then once we get in the afternoon, the sun comes out, we're going to shoot up pretty close to about 40 degrees. So the roads will become wet. Temperatures around the region: Burtonsville, Silver Spring, Bethesda, Rockville, Olney, also 39. Frederick, Linganore, Walkersville 39, 38 in Thurmont, Myersville 37, and then Northern Virginia, we're even going to get into the 40s, right into the low 40s or so. So that's why we want that precipitation gone before it starts to change over or get into a slushy mess. Taking a look at our 7-day forecast, we've got that snow. It's a very active pattern. We clear out pretty well Monday, but look at that nighttime temperature Sunday, 19 degrees. So we're worried about a flash freeze. Everything's going to be wet on that ground, so we want to keep an eye on those roadway surfaces. And then we've got a little bit of showers on Tuesday morning, but that next event is late on Wednesday evening, looking at snow into Thursday. And then once we get into Friday, it'll begin to turn into a mix, and then we dry out for Saturday. That's a look at your 7-day forecast.